Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to send a photo in a message on your Android phone, or how to attach a photo to a text message on your Android phone. So what you want to do is, first of all, go to messages and then open the conversation with whom you want to send a picture or an image to. And in the chat box, you should either see these two symbols, or you might see a little arrow pointing to the right. If you tap on it, then you'll see these two symbols. So tap on this image symbol, and that's going to open these previews, and you can pick an image. So for instance, let me pick this image, and once I pick it, I can tap on the message box, or I can just hit the back button to go back to the message. And then now I can now add some text to the message if I want to. When I'm ready, all I have to do now is tap on the send button, and that's going to send that image or that photo in my text message. Now, keep in mind that I'm using Google Messages as my default messages app. And when you have set up Google Messages, this works flawlessly. Okay. Now, in case you haven't set up Google Messages and you're using some other messaging app like Samsung Messages, for instance, then that's going to be sent as a multimedia message, or MMS. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.